Is your GMC Terrain's key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the likely culprit. For 2018 to 2024 models, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task that can save you $50 to $100 compared to dealership service. This video guides you through the process, step by step. Note, the models from 2018 to 2024 all use the same process. The GMC Terrain key fob from 2018 to 2024 models uses a CR32 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for approximately $2 to $5. Always purchase fresh batteries from reputable brands to avoid premature failure and potential corrosion issues. Avoid cheap knockoff brands, which can cause problems. You'll only need a couple of basic tools for this job. First, a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the key fob, or a dedicated key fob opener tool, preferably plastic, to avoid scratching the fob surface. Finally, a small towel or cloth to protect the fob while prying it open. First, locate the small seam on the side or back of your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool into the seam. Apply gentle pressure to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid using excessive force, as this can crack the plastic casing. Work your way around the seam until the fob pops open. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR22 battery inside. Take note of the battery's polarity. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, should be facing up. Use the screwdriver or your finger to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side faces up. The battery should snap easily into place. Double-check the orientation. The battery must be positioned correctly to function properly and avoid potential damage to the fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap securely shut. Ensure there are no gaps or loose sections. A fully closed fob protects the battery and internal components from dust and moisture. After reassembly, test the key fob by pressing the buttons to lock, unlock, and remotely start your GMC Terrain if equipped. The LED indicator light on the fob should illuminate. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is making good contact with the terminals. If it still doesn't work, proceed to troubleshooting. If your key fob still isn't working after replacement, here are key troubleshooting steps to check. First, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them gently with a cotton swab to remove any buildup. Ensure you're using a new, high-quality CR2032 battery to avoid immediate failures. In rare cases, a software glitch could be the issue. Consider updating via GM OnStar if available on your vehicle. While DIY replacement is usually successful, hardware failures in the fob may require professional repair or replacement. Finally, remember to dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center to follow environmental guidelines.